First, we do this multiplication, 7 over 17 times 17. We can easily cancel this 17 and this 17, so we have just 7. And 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay? So first we have to do this division, 7 divided by 7 over 17. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 7 times 17 over 7, then times 17. No, this 7 and this 7 can cancel each other out. So we have just 17 times 17, which equals 289. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 289.